Have you ever wondered about the variety of cuisines around the world? Each corner of our planet offers a distinct culinary narrative, a unique symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas that reflect the geography, history, and culture of its people. This, my friends, is the diversity of world cuisines, a testament to human creativity and the rich tapestry of our shared heritage. Imagine a table that stretches from horizon to horizon, laden with dishes from every culture, every nation. From the fragrant spices of India to the refined tastes of France. From the simple elegance of Japanese food to the eclectic fusion of American cuisine. This isn't just a feast for the stomach, but a feast for the senses, an edible atlas of human civilization. But it's not just about the food itself, it's about the cooking techniques, the methods passed down through generations, the artistry that turns raw ingredients into a meal. The searing heat of the tandoor, the precision of the sushi knife, the slow simmer of the coq au vin, the sizzle of the American grill, each has its own rhythm, its own heartbeat, adding another layer to the symphony of global cuisine. Yet in this diversity, there's a common thread that binds us all. It's the shared joy of a good meal, the comfort of family and friends gathered around a table, the satisfaction of a hunger well sated. It's the universal language of food, spoken in 1,000 dialects, yet understood by all. So let's explore this world of flavors together. Let's experience the heat of Indian curries, the delicate balance of French sauces, the minimalist beauty of Japanese sushi, and the bold combinations of American dishes. Let's travel without leaving our kitchens. Let's learn from each other, and let's celebrate the diversity that makes us unique, yet brings us together. Stay tuned as we embark on a culinary journey around the globe. Imagine the vibrant spices and tantalizing aromas of Indian cuisine. As we delve into the heart of India, we are met with a symphony of flavors that dance upon the palate. A key player in this flavorful orchestra is the traditional cooking techniques unique to this region. Of these, the use of a tandoor oven is integral to the Indian culinary narrative. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, the tandoor is a cylindrical clay oven used extensively in the cooking of many Indian dishes. This oven's high cooking temperature, reaching over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, imparts a distinctive smoky flavor to dishes like the famous tandoori chicken and the soft, fluffy naan bread. The tandoor is not just an oven, it's a testament to how a cooking method can shape a cuisine, lending it a characteristic appeal. Yet Indian cuisine is not just about the tandoor. Another significant aspect is the process of tempering spices, locally known as tadka. This technique involves heating oil or ghee, then adding a combination of spices to it. The heated oil or ghee has the magical ability to extract and retain the essence, aroma, and flavor of these spices, transforming ordinary ingredients into a medley of extraordinary flavors. This is the secret behind the robust flavors in Indian dishes like dal, curries, and chutneys. From the sizzling sounds of the tadka process to the smoky aroma of tandoor-cooked dishes, the Indian kitchen is a vibrant and sensory experience. It is an intricate dance of flavors and aromas that create a cuisine rich in tradition and diversity. The use of these techniques doesn't just add to the taste of the food. They tell a story of the land, the culture, and the people that have shaped this cuisine over centuries. A culinary exploration of India would be incomplete without experiencing these defining techniques. The aromas and flavors of Indian cuisine are a testament to the country's cultural diversity and rich history. Each dish, each technique, tells a tale of traditions passed down through generations, making Indian cuisine a flavorful journey through time and culture. Now let's fly to France, the culinary capital of the world. A journey into French cuisine is a voyage into a world of precision, passion, and unparalleled flavor profiles. This is a world where meticulous cooking techniques are revered as much as the ingredients themselves. Here, a sauce is not just a mere accompaniment, but an art form, a symphony of flavors that can elevate even the simplest of dishes to a gastronomic masterpiece. In the heart of French cuisine, the art of making sauces is held in high esteem. This is an intricate dance that requires patience, finesse, and an intimate understanding of ingredients. Whether it's the velvety bechamel, the wine-infused bordelaise, or the rich and creamy hollandaise, each sauce is a testament to the culinary prowess of the French. The depth and complexity of these sauces are the results of slow cooking and the gradual layering of flavors, a technique that has been perfected over centuries. But what makes French cuisine truly stand out is its emphasis on quality ingredients. From the freshest seafood from the Brittany coast, the finest poultry from Bressy, to the most aromatic herbs from Provence, French cooking celebrates the bounty of its regional produce. Each ingredient is treated with the utmost respect and prepared in a way that accentuates its natural flavors. Take, for instance, the classic coq au vin. This dish, which translates to rooster in wine, is a beautiful example of French culinary artistry. Here, a simple chicken is transformed into a succulent, melt-in-your-mouth delicacy, thanks to a slow bath in a rich wine-based sauce. It's a dish that embodies the soul of French cuisine, slow, deliberate, and full of depth. The French have a saying, "La sauce fait passer le poisson," which means the sauce makes the fish go down. It's a testament to the belief that a well-made sauce can turn even the most humble of ingredients into a feast for the senses. French cuisine, with its focus on quality ingredients and meticulous cooking techniques, truly embodies the adage, "The secret is in the sauce." Next, we journey to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Here, food is not just sustenance, but an art form, a tradition, and a way to communicate without words. Japanese cuisine, with its understated elegance and profound depth, is a testament to the nation's respect for nature and balance. The heart of this cuisine lies in its simplicity, the ability to bring out the natural essence of ingredients. Consider sushi, a dish that truly embodies this philosophy. In the hands of a skilled sushi chef, a few simple ingredients, raw fish, rice, and seaweed, are transformed into a symphony of flavors and textures. The rice, seasoned with just the right amount of vinegar, sugar, and salt, balances the rich, succulent slices of fish. The seaweed, crisp and briny, adds an additional layer of complexity. This is the art of sushi making, a dance of balance and precision. Yet, the simplicity of Japanese cuisine is not just about minimal ingredients. It's also about the techniques employed to enhance and preserve the natural flavors. Take, for example, the art of grilling fish over an open flame, a technique known as robatayaki. The fish is lightly seasoned, often only with salt, and then slowly grilled. The result is a dish that showcases the fish's natural sweetness and delicate texture, unmasked by heavy sauces or seasonings. And then there's umami, the fifth taste, a savory flavor that is deeply integral to Japanese cuisine. From the dashi broth that forms the base of many soups and stews, to the fermented soybeans known as natto, umami is everywhere. It's a taste that lingers, that makes food more satisfying and complete. It's the glue that holds the dish together, the taste that makes you want to take another bite, and then another. In the end, Japanese cuisine is not just about the food. It's about the respect for the ingredients, the meticulous preparation, and the pursuit of balance and harmony. It's about finding beauty in simplicity and depth in subtlety. Japanese cuisine, a testament to the beauty of simplicity and balance. Finally, we arrive in the melting pot of cultures, the United States. Here, cuisine is not just food, but an intricate tapestry woven with threads of diverse cultures, traditions, and flavors. Every bite is a testament to the country's rich history of immigration. Each dish a delicious narrative of fusion and adaptation. American cuisine is not confined to a single style or technique. It's a symphony of countless cooking methods borrowed, adapted, and perfected from across the globe. Take smoking, for instance. This technique, with roots in indigenous practices, has been adopted and refined over centuries. The result? Succulent smoked meats that melt in your mouth, a staple at any American barbecue. Then there's grilling, a technique that resonates with the American love for outdoor cooking. From sizzling steaks to juicy burgers, grilling is synonymous with American summers, bringing together communities in celebration of good food and camaraderie. Yet American cuisine is not just about smoking and grilling, it's about the fusion of flavors, from the fiery spices of Mexico to the hearty stews of Europe. It's about the melding of techniques, from the wok frying methods of China to the pasta making traditions of Italy. It's about the transformation of ingredients, from the humble potato turned into crispy fries to corn transformed into fluffy popcorn. American cuisine is a culinary journey in itself, an exploration of the world's flavors. It's the spicy kick of a Creole jambalaya, the comforting warmth of a New England clam chowder, the tangy zest of a Californian fish taco, and the sweet indulgence of a southern pecan pie. Each dish tells a story of cultures colliding, merging, and creating something uniquely American. So as we conclude our global culinary tour, remember this: cuisine is more than just food. It's a celebration of diversity, a testament to human creativity, and a delicious way to explore the world without leaving your kitchen. American cuisine, a delicious blend of world flavors.